Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Latch and Strike for Kason part #10930A00004. The Kason 10930A00004 latch and strike is a heavy-duty, adjustable latch and strike designed for use in commercial refrigeration applications. The latch is made of stainless steel and features a spring-loaded plunger that allows for easy adjustment of the latch position. The strike is made of zinc-plated steel and features a hole pattern that allows for easy installation on the door frame. The latch and strike are designed to provide secure closure of the door while allowing for easy access when needed. The adjustable design allows for precise alignment. This part fixes the following symptoms. This latch and strike is used to replace worn or damaged latches and strikes on Kason walk-in cooler and freezer doors. It helps to ensure a secure closure of the door, preventing warm air from entering the cooler or freezer and keeping the temperature inside at the desired level. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by measuring the door frame to ensure that the latch and strike will fit properly. 2. Mark the center of the door frame where the latch and strike will be installed. 3. Drill 2 holes in the door frame for the screws that will hold the latch and strike in place. 4. Place the latch and strike into position, making sure that it is level and aligned with the holes drilled in step 3. 5. Securely fasten the latch and strike with screws, making sure they are tight enough to hold it in place, but not so tight as to damage it. 6. Test out your eye. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.